Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning products. That's right, we're comparing the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. Now, if you're wondering why we're cleaning up our act today, it's because these two gadgets promise to make your home sparkle without the use of harsh chemicals. So let's see which one will help you scrub your way into a cleaner home. Grab your rubber gloves and let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. PurSteam is rocking a price tag of just $99, while Waitbird is strutting around at a whopping $139. Reviewers of the PurSteam have noted that it offers great value for its price, highlighting its effectiveness and ease of use. On the other hand, while Waitbird is more expensive, buyers have emphasized its powerful performance and generous water tank capacity. If you're looking to save some bucks for that extra pizza, PurSteam might be your best friend. Now, let's get serious about cleaning. Both of these bad boys promise chemical-free cleaning. PurSteam uses the natural power of heated steam, which is perfect for homes with kids and pets. Reviewers have praised PurSteam for its lightweight and easy-to-use design, making it a popular choice for families. Meanwhile, Waitbird boasts about producing high-temp steam up to 248, which many users have found effective for tough cleaning tasks without harsh chemicals. Both products are eco-friendly, but depending on whether you want a spa-like experience or a powerful steam blast, your choice may vary. Next up, let's talk heating time. PurSteam heats up in a speedy 30 seconds, making it the Usain Bolt of steam mops. This quick heating time has been highlighted in multiple reviews as a major plus. Waitbird, on the other hand, takes a bit longer, heating up in under 5 minutes. Reviewers have noted that while it takes longer to heat up, the performance once ready is impressive. If you're in a rush and can't wait to start steaming, PurSteam wins this round. What about water tank capacity? PurSteam is a lightweight champion with just enough water to get the job done, but some users have pointed out that its smaller tank can be a limitation. Waitbird, however, is packing a 38 ounces tank that gives you up to 45 minutes of steam, which many reviewers have found to be a significant advantage for extended cleaning sessions. So, if you want to steam clean your way through an entire season of your favorite show, Waitbird might just be your binge-watching buddy. Now let's talk accessories. PurSteam comes with a plethora of tools, brushes, nozzles, and cloths that make you feel like a cleaning superhero. Reviewers appreciate the variety of attachments and their effectiveness. Meanwhile, Waitbird brings 21 accessories to the party. Users have raved about the extensive range of tools, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. With all those tools, you might be tempted to start cleaning things you didn't even know needed cleaning. In summary, both the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and Waitbird Steam Cleaner have their strengths. PurSteam is praised for its affordability, lightweight design, and quick heating time, making it a favorite among budget-conscious users. On the other hand, Waitbird shines with its powerful steam output, large water tank, and extensive accessories, appealing to those who want a more robust cleaning experience. So which steamer takes the crown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, quick-heating, lightweight option that can tackle the basics, PurSteam is your go-to. But if you want a powerhouse with a large tank and enough accessories to clean your entire neighborhood, then Waitbird might be the way to go. At the end of the day, both these steamers can help you achieve that sparkling clean you've been dreaming of. Just remember, whether you choose PurSteam or Waitbird, keep it steamy and keep it clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.